Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. I haven't done one of these hauls in quite a while. I just haven't really had a need to go in there, but I was at Home Depot today getting some stuff for the yard, the garden, and I realized I didn't have just like a little garden shovel. And the ones at Home Depot were $10. That was the cheapest one I could find. And I remembered that Dollar Tree had some and they felt decent quality, but I never picked them up. So I went to Dollar Tree. That's the reason why I went in there, and I found tons of good stuff, and I have really good store footage. At the end of this video, there's a lot, I mean a lot of really cute decor in there right now. I don't need any of it, so I had to just take store footage instead of buying things I didn't need to show you guys. So if you want to see that, definitely stick around to the end. And I want to address the lighting or the quality of this video. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. I don't have studio lights or a ring light right now. We let a friend borrow them, so I apologize if the lighting seems a little bit dark or something like that. I'm just working with natural lighting, and I don't have a ton of overhead lighting in my house, so I hope you guys understand. I think the items that I'm gonna share with you will make up for it. So like I said, I went in there for some gardening tools, and these feel as nice of quality as what I saw at Home Depot, and I'm not just saying that. I'm all about the quality, you guys, so I would have paid the $10 if I felt like it was leaps and bounds better, but it's not. These feel really nice. So I got the little shovel, and then I got this little rake thing. Honestly, I don't know what to use this for. I don't know how to garden. I don't know how to take care of my yard. My dad helped me last year. It was our first spring and summer in the house, and he didn't offer to help me again this year. I guess it was a one-time deal. So I have to figure it out myself, and so that's why I needed some of those. I also picked up some gloves. These ones have like rubber right here, so I feel like they're gonna be okay. Some of the other gloves at Dollar Tree felt really cheap. It wouldn't hurt to just invest in a nicer pair, but since these had the rubber and I don't plan on doing like a ton of stuff, I think these will be okay. It is Memorial Day weekend as I am filming this. I hope to have it up for you guys over the weekend, and I wanna say happy Memorial Day, everybody. I hope you're having a really fun, safe, sun-filled weekend. And thank you to those of you who have served our country, the families of those who have served our country. I speak for everyone in this nation when I say it means so much, and we can't say thank you enough, so thank you again. But I am having a little Memorial Day barbecue with my parents. They're gonna come over here with their dog, and the dog's gonna play in the backyard. And so I got a couple things for that. I got these American flag plates. Sorry if there's a little bit of a glare. They do have plastic on them, and I got 2 sets. It says you get 10 plates in a set, and I think they had other patterns, but I like the simple look of these. I see these at Kroger for quite a bit more than $1, so I grabbed these, and I always get an extra pack or like double what I actually need because they are a little bit flimsy, so that's why I get just a pack extra. And then I also got these napkins with the patriotic stars. They do have just the regular flag that matches these plates, but I thought this was a cute contrast. So I went with the other pattern, and they're pretty darn cute. And they make like if you set up a little drink station or a little snack station or just like your food display when you have summer get-togethers, napkins and plates like that from Dollar Tree make it look so cute. Another thing that I like to put in those displays are the paper straws. They're functional, but they also like, I don't know, they kind of are like decor, and if you've been on my channel for a while, you know I use these on my coffee bar. I have a sick paper straw obsession. I need to go to Paper Straw Anonymous for real, because I think I have an entire drawer full of different patterns of paper straws, but I actually use these every morning. I drink apple cider vinegar mixed into water every morning through a straw, and I've heard that plastic straws are harmful to the environment and turtles and stuff, so get paper straws, you guys. So these are the patterns that they have for the 4th of July and Memorial Day. The blue stars, red stars, and the red, white, and blue stripes. You can use these stars, the red ones, for Christmas, and you can use all of these for, you know, all summer long. They're a good find from Dollar Tree for just $1. I also grabbed this little banner here. It has, you know, the different pennants, and it looks like it's gonna be really cute. I can't tell if it's paper or not. It really doesn't matter though, because what I do is hang banners right here when I have parties, and then I do like a little appetizer spread right here on this table. You guys, if you follow me on Instagram, then you saw how I did that for Mother's Day. So I'll link my Instagram below in case you want to follow me over there. I've been posting on my stories several times a day. So yeah, this is just paper, but like I said, that's a-okay with me. And that's what they look like. And then the last patriotic thing that I got is this yard stake. It has it is metal or tin or of some kind, I don't know. The patriotic star, and I have 4 ferns that sit in the front of my house, and I just thought that one in each would look really cute. So I got 4 of these, and I think they may have had like hearts as well, but I thought the stars were a little bit more fitting for, you know, a patriotic theme, because stars and stripes, right? So I think these are a really good buy. And they also have little tin like things you can hang on your door or in your garden. So if you're looking to kind of decorate on the cheap for Labor Day, Memorial Day, 4th of July, then definitely check out Dollar Tree. Do people decorate for Labor Day? My dad, he puts fall out on Labor Day, but he puts flags in like the fall mums and stuff. Dads are weird, aren't they? The next thing that I got are these 2 lemon towels. If you stick around to the end of the video, there's a lot of store footage and there's a whole lemon display. These towels are awesome. I'm not huge on the big lemon theme that everyone's doing. I actually do have a lemon wreath on my door, but you know me, I'm not big on summer decorating, but I do have yellow hand soap and lotion at my kitchen sink, so I thought this would tie in really nicely. And they feel like normal Dollar Tree towels, but you know those like the ones that they feel like they stick to your hand almost, and it's like kind of gross feeling. These are that material, but they feel a little bit nicer. I don't know if anyone knows what I'm talking about, but I've seen lemon towels that look like this at Home Goods for like $5 or $6, so that's a good buy from Dollar Tree. And then the last item I'm so excited about, it's my tank top that I'm wearing. And I got a couple more, and you guys, I'm being very brave right now wearing a tank top on camera. I very rarely show my arms, but I wanted to show you guys how this tank top fits. So I am gonna insert a clip of like me in a kind of full length mirror so you can see. But you'll see all the colors that they had in the store footage. Every single tank top though was a women's XL. So I don't know if that's just my store, if your store may have different sizes. I can wear an XL, so that was great for me. Normally I don't see XLs though. I see more like extra small or a small. But I picked up the gray. I'm gonna wear this to the gym. I'm gonna wear it out to garden in a second here when I finish up. I picked up the neon yellow. This is so bright yellow. I wanted to wear this, but I'm so pale right now. I'm not tan enough to pull this off. And then the other color that I picked up is this pink. And like I said, they're all XLs, and they're that really like soft, worn in kind of t-shirt. You know when you go to the beach and you go in a gift shop and they have like the cute long sleeve shirts that say like Virginia Beach across the back of it or something? It's made out of that kind of a material, if that makes sense. So I picked up the 3 colors, and I'm so happy because I actually was gonna go to Walmart and buy some workout tank tops, and I don't have to because I got these for $3. I got 3 colors for $3. I couldn't get a tank top at Walmart for that price, a workout tank. So this is amazing. I'm so happy about it. So that's it for this haul, you guys. Again, sorry about the lighting. I hope that you enjoyed everything that you saw. And I have store footage at the end of really, really cute decor that it took every ounce of me to not buy. But I don't need anything. I need to save my money for those pumpkins come fall, because you guys, that stuff is gonna be out in stores in 1 month. Some stores already have a little bit of fallout. So if you wanna see me go to those stores early and be that crazy psychopath, let me know, because I will definitely do that. And I've already had a couple requests for it on Instagram, so let me know. And yeah, thank you guys again. Happy Memorial Day, and I will catch you in a future video. Bye guys.